Ashile-ke amahlathi kunjengaye kanye-ke noMfundo njengoba ke uPhetheni eseyazi nje indaba yabo kungabe kuzokwenzakalani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 29th to the 30th of April 2024 on Monday. Tension brews as Gwenzo questions Nomalanga's condition. To make matters worse, the Dlamini Mbambo in Tlaulo talks go horribly wrong on Tuesday. When asked hard questions about intention with Nomalanga, Gwenzo get tongue-tied. Nomfundo's guilty forces her to choose a side, much to Njengaye's disappointment. At the Mbambo's Deliwe is relieved when a threat in the house leaves. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.